The market is going to be opening in 9 minutes. It's 4/9. It's 2012. It's the quarterly earnings for 2012 kickoff season. Google was added to the #1 weekly slot, which has never been done before. Alcoa will be kicking it off tomorrow. The markets are extremely overbought going into the earnings cycle. And we will talk about growth cycles, earnings cycles. We'll talk about stock fundamentals relative to the economy. We'll do all of that on our live radio show at stockmarketfunding.com that you can sign up and participate in. We'll be talking about the jobs report. Today, the markets are gapping down fairly decent because the bull run for calendar 2012 has been very strong and robust right up into the very peak overbought levels. One thing I will tell you that we said the first trading day of the first calendar day of April that there would be a prices in equities are going to expand in volatility price volatility expansion, meaning that the bull run has taken its course in the first 90 days, therefore that the bull runs have to have their pullback levels where the people that sat on the sideline would like to get in, and they will. And that's part of a new bull being born. And that's as far as what charts say and what sentiment says and lots of other things. It's been 90 days now, over 90 days. And the thing about it is that the sentiment has changed. Now they're going to have to deliver on the bottom line, top line, and what their guidance is with high cost of fuel. But it doesn't matter. What matters is where are these earnings priced to perfection? And how do you know which ones to get in after hours when they drop $10 or $15? And how do you know what to do in pre-market and picking up the great deals that will remain during that reporting session in each one of these big beta cap names? And how do I figure out what to do with the earnings? Do I sell the names that have been in a great bull rally? Absolutely. Why not? They're all overbought, okay? And they have to come down in bull rallies. So basically, lots of headlines are going to be out, folks, and we know how to maneuver through them. And we have, individual training components that address how you should adapt to markets in a high earnings impact environment with an overbought market, with a growth cycle that's okay, and a very horrible jobs report that they're going to try to discount. MMTs, as we start this quarterly out, we will let every golden opportunity come our way. We will take advantage of the upside volatility. We will take advantage of the downside volatility, and we will square these positions accordingly based in the after hours reporting session and what all of those gimmicks are going to start in about 5 minutes from now. And it will be the kickoff. And let's let it be known right now that stocks are priced to perfection and that the top line growth and bottom line growth may be at what we were training people on, was what the earnings trough level has resistance relative to your growth and stimulus packages that have been inserted in the last, little over 3 months, actually last 8 months really. And that was the crisis that Greece and all the rest of them over there in Europe had. Now that's passed us by. Do people want to own U.S. equities on the pullback? And does that bull want to get in this market? And now MMT, it's all about picking up this opportunity. And it's starting in about 4 minutes. And I just want you to know that stocks will trade a certain way before their reporting date. Some sell down into the reporting date and then have great gaps. Some walk the dog up to the high, and then when they report, everyone says, well, hey, they beat by 5 cents and the guidance is upside, but why is the stock down $10? Why? Because it was too overpriced going into the report. Look, we're going to see within the bull rally, buy the rumor, sell the news. With the price volatility increasing, both on bull support level and bull resistance level reversals come into play within the broader market structure, and we're going to get ready to kick it off here in about 4 minutes, 4/9/2012. We will make our markets. We will enjoy ourselves because we are going to get the best wholesale prices and we're going to get the best opportunities. And other people on the street are not going to get those opportunities like you are here live right now in 3 minutes to that opening bell. And I can tell you, it's going to be a very exciting moment. All the economic indicators are pointing up. Everything is doing everything. But now we're going to get in and see what these CEOs are talking about their earnings trough levels and where these expansion levels may or may not be. And ring, ring, ring that cash register. Because if the ones that are expanding and doing well, they go higher. And sometimes in earnings season, I'm going to let the public be aware. Public, be aware of this. That good news could be priced in, and then your stocks could fall $10 or $15. That's one of the gimmick things that they do. Don't get shattered by that. You're still in a bull trend. You'll probably bounce off the bottoms. Use your best judgment on your own. Don't get greedy, Mr. Public. And let's let it be known that I'm ending it here. And we're getting ready to start the trading day live in 2 minutes. Pre-market, 4/9/2012. 2012 calendar earnings. Look, we've got lots of opinions. Stay tuned.